Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host today, and we've got a great story for you about the most reliable electric cars on the UK market. According to What Car's latest reliability survey, 3 top picks have emerged as the most dependable electric vehicles, with Mini, Nissan, and BMW all making the cut. The winner of this survey is the Mini Electric, which impressed critics with its impressive reliability rating of 98.4%. This model scored high in terms of owner satisfaction, with only 5% reporting any issues, and even when problems did arise, owners were back on the road within a week, with repairs costing as little as £1,000. But Mini isn't the only car that's caught the attention of What Car. The Nissan Leaf also made it to the top 3, praised for its robustness. Despite being one of the most common EVs on the road, it scored an impressive reliability rating of 95.6%, with owners reporting minor issues such as interior trim problems and brake troubles. And finally, we have the BMW i4, which rounded out our list with a What Car? Reliability score of 95.5%. The analysis shows that 27% of owners reported some kind of issue, but most were minor, including problems with bodywork, non-motor electrics, and even battery charging. What's interesting to note is that, while these cars had their share of issues, the repairs were all conducted free of charge. This suggests that manufacturers are committed to supporting their electric vehicles long-term. So, if you're in the market for a reliable electric car, look no further than Mini, Nissan, or BMW. Not only will they get you from A to B, but they'll also have your back when it comes to maintenance and repairs. Thanks for watching Electro Drive News. We'll catch you on the road.